Now we are solving question number 4 of this topic of kinematics. So question number 4 is two particles P and Q move vertically under the gravity. The graph shows the upward velocity v meters per second of the particles at the time t seconds, for which t lies between 0 and 4 seconds, starts with velocity v meters per second and q starts from rest. Find the value of v, part 2 now. Given that q reaches the horizontal ground when t is equal to 4, find the speed with which q will reach the ground, and the second part is the height of q above the ground when t is equal to 0. V there. Now we know either we can use the equation of motions or you can use the gravity formula there. So gradient formula there. So if we use the gradient formula, it is the point 0 and v and 2 and 0 there, where acceleration is equal to g, and that is equal to minus 10 meters per second square, because it is moving under the influence of gravity there. So we can use this as 0 minus v over 2 minus 0 is equal to minus 10, or v is equal to 20 meters per second. So the value of v there is 20 meters per second. Or you can use the second formula for the v is equal to u plus gt. So we are going to find out the value of v there. So that thing is equal to u is v there plus g is minus 10, and the time is there too, and that thing v is equal to 0. So v is equal to 20 meters per second. This is either use the gradient formula or you can use this formula there for the equation there. Then for the second part, you are going to calculate this. We are asking that speed of q when it is going to reach to the ground. Since q is going to take 4 seconds to reach the ground, so v is equal to u plus gt, where v is equal to is starting from rest position. So u is 0 there, g there is 10, and t there is 4. So that speed will be equal to 40 meter per second for this object of this particle q there. And for the last part, the height q when t is equal to 0 for that. Since we know that height is equal to ut plus half gt square, because 2 is starting from 0 there. So initial velocity will be 0 into time is 4 plus half, g is there 10, and half t there is 4. So that should be equal to 0 plus 5 into 16, or that is equal to 80 meter. So height of q above the ground is equal to 80 meter when it starts moving there. So this is question number 4 of this topic of kinematic